If you visit Dorado Nature Center in Long Beach, California, during the month of July 2022, you can see new mixed media paintings by artist Katie Simpson. Previously scheduled for June 2020, this show, Tangled Plans, explores human relationships to the natural world. El Dorado is an ideal place to explore these ideas. Come take a walk and visit the show. Gotta walk over this bridge to get to the nature center once you get into the park. Lots of trails. And the show is hanging inside the nature center. So come on in. It'll be up for the month of July. So come on down, check out the awesome Nature Center as well. All kinds of amazing things happening here. So come on over, go for a walk. Nature Center stuff. Salon wall over here. And some more of my mixed media acrylic paintings. Many things that are in these paintings. I'm so excited. There's going to be a frog in here. Yeah, Tangled Plans at the El Dorado Nature Center.